guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and an unboxing of the Nike SACAI VaporWaffle. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, we want to see them likes. It helps us with the algorithm, and don't forget to drop some comments. We try our best to reply to every single comment thrown out our way. And I want to take this time to thank all our subscribers, new and old. Again, without you guys, we aren't able to do this. Let's get into it. So today, we've got a look at the VaporWaffle SACAI, and we got this in the dark iris colorway. These dropped on April 29th, and they dropped in two colorways. If I remember correctly, the proper name for the other colorway that isn't this one, the brown one, it is the Sesame Tan. Correct me if I'm wrong, you know, that's what the comment section is there for. It's there to educate me as well. But this, in my opinion, is the better colorway. We got that purple one, that dark iris. And we got this in the UK size 7.5, it's a US 8.5, and it's a European 42. And yo, I'm gonna say it, Shito Abe has done it again. Look how that is beautiful. And I love it because it's what that SACAI customers expects. It's what that Japanese influenced person loves when it comes to their fashion. They love that DIY attitude when it comes to design. They love that it's really unique, it's innovative. This is two sneakers in one. And if for those that don't know, it is the Nike Vaporfly, hence the vapor, and the waffle gets its name from the Pegasus, so you can see it from the outsole. And this is beautiful. There's one little thing I want to remark before we get into this though, is there's a little stain inside. So yo Nike, I don't know, did someone try this on? Don't know, but I'm glad to have a pair in my collection. We've done a pair of the original SACAI LD waffles, so have a look at that review over there in that black and white. But this is, I believe this is the third colorways to have dropped in the VaporWaffle. So you've got the first batch that were the black and white and the Cortez white, red and blue colorway. The second were the yellow and green, and the other maroon and green colorway. Those were really nice. But this purple, must be because I'm a massive fan of prints, but you know, this purple just hits it. It's so right. It's beautiful. The orange nicely complements it. I'm getting way too much into the detail without going into what we love here at Oneupreviewz, what we do here, and let's have a look at the individual detail and feature review of every sneaker that we do. So enough talking, I'll do that right now. So this outsole unit, as I mentioned, it is the Air Pegasus portion of this amalgamation of the sneaker. It's all rubber, all black, and you can see the waffle print that Nike is famous for. We move along onto the midsole. So you've got that midsole unit that all SACAI Nikes are famous for and they're known for, and it's that elongated shape that sticks out even further at the heel. So this bottom bit, this is the Pegasus, and what gets the modern take, what I believe the more futuristic even, is this Vaporfly unit is at the top. It's that curved midsole there, and that is Nike's more modern running sneaker. If I remember correctly, even that is the Vaporflies. I think they were banned from running. Pretty sure I read an article somewhere, but you know, again, that's what the comment sections are there for. Let me know, I could be wrong. As we move along onto the upper, so this has a beautiful quality of leathers, or suedes really. So at the mudguard, you've got the lush, high quality suedes there in that purple colorway, and you can find it on the leather paneling as you go along onto the tongue. The other materials that make the sneaker, so you've got a TPU, plastic heat press just underneath, and the majority of the sneaker is this mesh unit all around the sneaker. That's the Pegasus inspired bit, I believe. As always, on all Nike SACAI products, you've got the double swoosh, so you can't see it, but I like the darker portions. Here you can see it starts from the midsole unit onto this mud guard here, and it goes onto the mesh unit. The orange is an all level orange swoosh. You'll find it on the medial side as well. Going along onto the heel, you got a pull tab and the orange paneling that says Nike SACAI. As always, you got the double tongues. So you got the Nike Sportswear on the one and the Nike SACAI at the other at the back. And in the insole, you've got the Nike SACAI logo all in there. This is a great sneaker to add to the collection. I've said it again, Shito Abe is a genius. She is amazing. What she's done with SACAI and the Nike collabs have been just one for the history books for sneakerheads. And they're down there with probably the greatest sneakers of all time, in my opinion. I can't wait to try these on, so roll that footage of me trying on these Nike SACAI's Vapor Waffles. Let's get into it. When it comes to the fit, guys, I do recommend that you get your true to size Nike fit. I'm a UK size 7.5. My toe is where it needs to be. Just a little word of warning, I think it's just me, but I don't feel like there's a lot of support in my arch. I feel like it can come down at any moment. But these sneakers look so fly on and they're really unique. I just love it. I know I'm gonna get a lot of people staring at my feet when I hit the streets in these. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end on Instagram. And until next time, peace.